Hi friends, welcome to my channel Career JEE. In this session, we are going to discuss how to score 80 plus in chemistry. So before going to this topic, please do subscribe and share and like this video. So what I am saying is, please concentrate on these chapters and these are the more weightage chapters. Chemistry is the easiest topic and which saves the lot of time in competitive examinations. So please concentrate on this chemistry and which gives a lot of marks. So coming to first one, chemical bonding. The subtopic which is important is based on hybridization, structure and MOT. And coming to hydrogen its compounds based on physical properties, hydrogen, deuterium, tritium and their physical properties, and preparation of H2 gas and hydrogen peroxide. Most of the questions based on hydrogen peroxide. Please concentrate on hydrogen peroxide. And coming to electrochemistry, most of the questions asked based on Nernst equation. And coming to chemical kinetics, first order reactions, rate, molecularity and their graphs. And coming to thermodynamics, this thermodynamics plays a crucial role in chemistry as well as in physics. So please concentrate on this thermodynamics, which is very important. And coming to surface chemistry, please refer NCERT. Please refer NCERT. And most of the questions based on NCERT level only. And friendly absorption theorem is very important in this surface chemistry. And coming to coordination compounds, in each shift in chemistry JEE examination, there will be minimum two questions. There will be minimum two questions based on these topics. CFT, crystal field theory, very important. And Vernier theory, very important. And nomenclature of coordination compounds is very important. Please concentrate on this nomenclature of coordination compound. And coming to S block, this is important. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, diagonal relationships and covalent nature. The most of the questions asked based on diagonal relationship and covalent character of lithium and beryllium. And coming to P block, please concentrate on this 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is very important. This plays a crucial role in JEE examination. And concentrate on sulfur oxyacid acids. And coming to polymers, please concentrate on these polymers and refer NCERT. This is more than enough. This is more than enough. And coming to metallurgy, most of the questions based on metallurgy is fourth flotation. Please concentrate on this. And coming to GOC, isomerism and nomenclature, please learn nomenclature and I will make you sure that minimum one question based on this nomenclature. And coming to solid state, the questions based on density and BCC, FCC, CCP, HCP. Please concentrate on this solid state. It may or may not be, but you concentrate on this solid state. This is very easy topic and you can easily secure +4 marks. And coming to chemistry in everyday life, please refer NCERT. Coming to biomolecules, glucose, fructose, galactose, mannose. In these biomolecules, the most of the questions based on glucose structures only. And deficiencies, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C. B and C are water soluble, remaining are fat soluble. So please learn this, and this is also refer NCERT. NCERT plays a crucial role in this chemistry. And coming to hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Please concentrate on these hydrocarbons. The question will be may or may not be, but you should have a concept of alkane, alkene, alkyne and their preparations. And I will say please concentrate on benzene. This is very, very important, and their preparations. And coming to aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, this is very, very important. Minimum 3 questions will be asked from this. And learn all Némur reactions. And coming to 18th one, amines, phenols, ethers and alcohols. You learn these 3. This will be may or may not be. Please concentrate on this and learn all Némur reactions. So please do subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you.